JAMB exam, especially direct entry. There is a news now that you need to know. Direct entry has not closed. It was supposed to have closed, but just announced the date, the deadline for registering direct entry JAMB registration for this year, 2024. If you are watching this and you have not registered, just keep watching. If you need direction on how to register, if you need us to guide you, send you the link, guide you throughout the process, just subscribe to the YouTube channel. Come under this video, tell me I have subscribed, and I will keep guiding you. Okay. Dr. Fabian Benjamin, the Public Relations Officer for JAMB, Public Communication Advisor for JAMB, just stated this on a news they had with News Agency of Nigeria today, being Thursday, 27th. Yeah, that should be 27th of April in Lagos. Now, what he said is that JAMB, being the board, want to call on all candidates yet to register for direct entry, that is you and all people, to come down as the registration deadline is again extended. Remember, they extended it before, they have extended it again. The board will soon announce the date for the end of this year's direct entry registration, and so you or all other candidates that are interested in direct entry should relax. Don't panic. Don't say that the exam has ended. Relax, but ensure you start registering. Go ahead and register, and that is where we come in. We at Noble Tutorials, we have done a lot. We have gathered a lot of persons. We have done a lot of past questions, solving past questions that will all help you in your JAMB. If you want us to send you the link or to guide you for registering with this direct entry, just subscribe to our YouTube channel, come under the comment and tell us that you have subscribed. If you want me to send you past questions that you used to study, just let us know. Comment, subscribe, and comment. Invite your friends. Then go through our channel. You will see many other videos we have done about JAMB, WAEC, NECO, on many subjects, both use of English, mathematics, chemistry, CRS, government, all of them are all in our channel. So go ahead and subscribe right now and comment that you have subscribed. So Mr. Benjamin kept on saying, said, the board will soon announce a new date. For now, there is no closing date, a new date for the end of direct entry registration. And so, candidates should relax but ensure they register as soon as possible. There is no date yet. We all wish you success in your examination. Remember, hit subscribe button on our YouTube channel. Just subscribe now. Come under the comment of this video. Tell us that you have subscribed. Tell us, then I will send you how you can reach us, and we'll keep guiding you until you pass in your examination. May the Lord guide you, and we will be here to also guide. If you want past questions, if you want solved questions, any way you want us to guide you as you write your direct entry or your normal JAMB, let us know, and we are here to guide you.